There he is. As Joshua's the very first time joining the water swim team. Today is June 2nd, 2025. Good job, honey! Good job, Joshua! Ang tagal ng ng babae. Ang bata, ang babae. Na-traffic. Paspas siya. Oh, good job, honey. Upat sila sa... Okay. I'm just worried because the trading. Daddy, very supportive daddy. And ate, she have, ayan, may swim team niya, kaibigan niya. Hi guys, today is June 2nd, 2025. Joshua's very first time joining this water swim team dito sa Highland Pool. Absent siya ng 1 week kasi nag-end ang school niya is May 30th, 2025. So ngayon ng June siya nag-start. Ayan. Si ate is 8:15 to 9:15 in the morning. Si Joshua 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Ayan siya. Kulit. Tuwa naman sa Go back na, honey! Joshua! Okay. Go, Joshua! He's doing great. I like him to go first, you know. The other one, he gets stuck up in the... You know? Ano siya, mabilis siya eh. What? Okay, honey. Okay. Ayan, sabihan ko siya. Joshua, if you're swimming, honey, if you get stuck up, you just go pass over them, okay? You just go pass. You just go pass, honey. Love you. You just go pass. If you guys stuck up, just go pass.
In the sun, right? It's warmer in the sun.
Okay. showing.
Look out. Kick.
Joshua, go. Oh!
Nandito yung anak mo?
Nandito sa maliit.
Oh.
I thought I saw you in the Asian Festival, but you were so far away.
Pumunta nga din kami. Ayan, si Joshua first time niya nag-join ng ng otter swim.
He's also his
First time?
Oh. And then last week was a trial run because we don't know if he would like it or not.
Oh.
Where's Joshua?
Ayan siya, oh.
The only Asian people like videotape, photo, and they don't understand why.
Oh, it's his very first time. So I want to have a copy.
It drives my in-laws crazy.
Oh, yeah. sabi ko sa kanya, kasi lagi siya na-stuck ba? Sabi ng asawa ko mag-over, siya. Kasi, nag-antay pa siya sa isa
Hindi
eh.
pa kita nakita dito.
Ha?
Hindi pa kita nakita dito.
Oh?
Dito sa swimming.
Ay, hindi pa kami nag-start ng swimming. Kasi klase pa nila nung May 30th natapos sa school.
Sa Columbus?
Oo. Sa St. James.
Nilipat mo.
Hindi. Yung end ng klase nila sa school is May 30th. So, nag-start to is May 27. Si Mary Joyce nakapag-join sa 28. Isang beses. Tapos ito yung pangalawa.
Hindi ko siya nakita. May 28.
Oo, yeah. Andun siya. Tapos isang beses lang kasi si Joshua 10-11 nakakahiya naman pag di ba, yung half day sa school. Kasi nagpaalam ako na kailangan ma-meet niya yung coach at saka 8:15 to 9:15 school nila 7:30 to 2:30. Dapat mag-start sana sila June, di ba? Para lahat makapag-join na.
Hindi, may ibang parents kasi nagbabakasyon.
Kasi kawawa naman kasi yung hindi pa nag-school pa. Paano yun makapag-absent? Ay, ang cute oh. Paano makapag-absent yun? I-school yan, tapos mag-absent para lang okay lang sana kung 2 buwan o 3 buwan. Isang buwan lang mahigit. Diyos me, nagmahal na sila.
Dati 60, 70.
Diyos me, ngayon 115.